It's another sunny day, and it's time for these forest kids to see how their plants are growing. They've been caring for this garden since they planted the seeds in the springtime. It's been a dry summer, so the garden has needed plenty of water to help it grow. Plants need water to survive. It's time to pick some vegetables and herbs. It looks like the forest kids are starting with lettuce. I wonder if they will fill their basket. Now they're picking beets. And more beets.
Really hard. Whoa.
There's a carrot. Whoops. And another carrot. The basket is starting to fill up. There's a yellow bean. And a yellow pepper. These fresh foods will be perfect with lunch. There are more yellow peppers in this garden bed. And green peppers too. Yummy!
This is a big one.
This forest kid also likes an herb called basil. There are two kinds of basil in the forest kid's garden, purple and green. He's made a basil sandwich. It's fun and nutritious to grow your own food. This forest kid wants to taste the basil too. What a wonderful garden. It's almost lunchtime, and these forest kids are hungry after a busy morning in the woods. Before they sit down to eat, it's time to wash up. Hand washing is the best way to help remove germs that can make people sick. They're lining up to scrub those germs away. It's important to wash your hands often because germs are everywhere. This water is not too hot and not too cold. It's just right for little hands. Everyone's hands are clean. Time to eat. The forest kids are eating lunch indoors today. On the menu, sandwich buns with meat, cheese, and vegetables from the forest kids' garden. There's lettuce and tomatoes, cucumbers, and green peppers. Yum! Everyone loves lunchtime.
What do you love in cheese, cucumber, and meat. I got meat too. I got cheese, cucumber, meat, and mayonnaise. Don't run it around.
Now that lunch is over, it's cleanup time. Swishing the soap around to make bubbles is fun. The forest kids are using a cloth, water, and dish soap to get the job done. That will make the tin cup clean. This boy's job is to rinse the dishes with clean water. That's it. Good work. The final step in dishwashing is to dry the dishes with a clean towel. Around and around it goes, inside and outside of the cup. Excellent! Now that's teamwork. And those are very clean plates and cups, ready for lunchtime tomorrow. What a fantastic day of growing and learning. It's time to pack up and head back home after a busy day. All set. See you next time.